Have you ever felt stuck or limited by your own beliefs? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we will explore powerful techniques that will help you overcome those limiting beliefs and practice positive affirmation. But that's not all. We will also delve into the art of creating a vision board, a tool that can help you manifest your dream life. And if you're a good planner, we've got something for you too. We will guide you in developing a 10-year plan for long-term success. But it's not just about the strategies and techniques. We'll also discuss the importance of self-compassion and emotion regulation for personal growth. Because let's face it, achieving big things starts with nurturing a healthy mindset and taking care of our emotional well-being. Whether you're looking to improve your career, relationships, or overall well-being, this video is packed with tools and insights that will unlock your true potential. So get ready to dive in and discover how you can convince your mind to think big and achieve anything you desire. Before we begin, we want to ask for your support. If you find value in this video, we kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss out on our upcoming content, all designed to help you grow and thrive. Let's begin. Friends, positive affirmations have the power to transform our lives and help us overcome limiting beliefs. By consciously rewriting negative messages and replacing them with positive affirmations, we can create the outcomes we desire. However, it is important to be ready and willing to internalize affirmations in order to manifest positive change. Affirmations work best when we truly believe in their power and trust in the process. There are many examples from literature and movies that demonstrate the power of believing in oneself. From the story of Harry Potter, who overcame self-doubt to defeat the Dark Lord, to the tale of Cinderella, who believed in her dreams and found her happily ever after, these stories remind us of the transformative power of positive self-talk. In reality, all self-talk is effectively affirmations, whether positive or negative. Our thoughts become the lens through which we see the world, and they can either open the door to possibilities or repel them. By consciously choosing positive affirmations, we can attract positivity and abundance into our lives. Scripture also encourages us to think about noble, right, pure, lovely, and admirable things. This reminds us to focus on positive affirmations and to let go of negative self-talk. Personally, I have found great value in using affirmations to overcome limiting beliefs and negative stories. It is a practice that requires self-reflection and a willingness to challenge our own thoughts and beliefs. As we uncover and release one limiting belief, we may discover another that needs to be addressed. But with each step, we move closer to a life filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. The potential for affirmations to change our lives is immense, but it requires consistency and dedication. By allowing ourselves to fully embrace affirmations, we open the door to a positive, magical, and successful reality. To get started, I invite you to join me in using the following affirmation. I am free of limiting beliefs. Although my parents and society impressed their beliefs on me as a child, I have the final say over what I believe as an adult. The only beliefs that I entertain are those that are self-nurturing. Remember, beliefs can drive our behavior, so it is important to critically analyze our thoughts and challenge any negative or self-limiting beliefs. Let us commit to seeing the world in a positive light and only entertaining self-nurturing beliefs. Together, we can create the life we truly desire. Creating a vision board is another powerful tool for individuals looking to manifest their dream life. Unlike traditional New Year's resolutions, which can often leave us feeling discouraged or like failures if we don't achieve them, a vision board focuses on adding positive elements to our lives and visualizing our dreams and goals into reality. Gone are the days of simply cutting out pictures from magazines and gluing them onto a poster. A vision board is a collection of images, words, and symbols that represent our goals and aspirations. It can be created using physical materials such as magazines, scissors, and glue, or through digital platforms like Canva or Pinterest. When creating a vision board, it's important to set intentions and choose images that truly resonate with us. The process should be fun and creative, allowing us to tap into our desires and visualize the life we want to create. Once our vision board is complete, it can be placed in a visible location where we will see it every day, serving as a constant reminder of our goals and aspirations. Creating a vision board is not only a practical tool for manifesting our dreams, but it can also be a therapeutic activity. Taking the time to focus on our desires, hopes, and dreams can bring about a sense of clarity and purpose. It allows us to tap into our creativity and imagination, and it can even help us uncover hidden desires or goals we may not have been aware of. By regularly engaging with our vision board, whether through visualizing our goals or taking actionable steps towards achieving them, we can manifest our dream life. The power of visualization and intention setting has been proven time and time again, and a vision board is a tangible representation of that power. Let's talk about something for planners on board: developing a 10-year plan for long-term success. Friends, having a long-term plan is crucial for achieving success in both personal and professional endeavors. A 10-year plan can provide direction, purpose, and a roadmap for reaching your goals. When creating a 10-year plan, it's important to be realistic and achievable. Set specific goals and milestones along the way to measure your progress. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the journey. One of the benefits of setting long-term goals is that they provide a framework for decision-making and prioritization. When faced with choices or opportunities, you can refer to your plan to determine if they align with your long-term vision. This helps prevent distractions and keeps you on track towards your desired outcome. Flexibility and adaptability are also essential when it comes to a long-term plan. Life is unpredictable, and circumstances may change along the way. It's important to be open to adjusting your plan as needed, while still staying true to your overall vision. Implementing a long-term plan can come with challenges and obstacles. It requires commitment, perseverance, and discipline. However, the rewards can be tremendous. A well-executed 10-year plan can lead to personal and professional growth, fulfillment, and a sense of accomplishment. Fortunately, there are resources and tools available to help you create and track your 10-year plan. Manifestation journals, vision boards, and writing exercises are popular techniques that can assist in clarifying your goals and intentions. Additionally, seeking guidance from mentors or coaches can provide valuable insights and accountability. Self-compassion and emotion regulation are essential skills for personal growth and well-being. These abilities allow individuals to navigate challenging situations and manage their emotions effectively, leading to greater emotional well-being. Practicing self-compassion involves being kind and understanding towards oneself, even in the face of setbacks or failure. It means treating oneself with the same care and compassion that one would offer to a loved one. This practice not only promotes self-acceptance, but also helps individuals bounce back from setbacks and cultivate resilience. Emotion regulation skills are equally important. They enable individuals to navigate their emotions in a healthy and balanced way. By developing these skills, individuals can respond rather than react to emotional triggers, leading to improved relationships and communication. Research has shown that practicing self-compassion and emotion regulation is linked to lower levels of anxiety, depression, and stress. To master self-compassion and emotion regulation, individuals can engage in various strategies. Mindfulness, self-reflection, and seeking support from others are effective ways to cultivate self-compassion. Mindfulness allows individuals to observe their thoughts and emotions without judgment, fostering a compassionate mindset. Self-reflection helps individuals gain insight into their emotions and triggers, enabling them to regulate their responses effectively. Seeking support from trusted friends, family, or professionals can provide guidance and encouragement along the journey. It is important to remember that personal growth is a lifelong process. Mastering self-compassion and emotion regulation requires ongoing practice and commitment. By prioritizing these skills, individuals can cultivate a more compassionate and resilient mindset, leading to personal growth and overall well-being. And that's a wrap, my dear manifestors. We've reached the end of this incredible journey together. I hope this video has ignited the flame of possibility within you and opened your mind to the endless opportunities that await. If you found value in this video, remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the inspiring content we create to help you manifest your dreams into reality. I want to hear from you. Share your thoughts, experiences, and manifestations in the comments section below. Let's create a community of like-minded individuals who support and inspire each other on this incredible journey of personal growth and success. Before we say goodbye, I want to leave you with a final blessing. May the universe conspire in your favor, and may your manifestations come to fruition with ease and grace. Remember, you have the power within you to achieve anything you desire. Until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting, keep believing in yourself, and keep reaching for the stars. The sky is the limit. Thank you for watching, and may all your dreams come true.